everyone, today I decided to film how I organize and clean out my refrigerator. It is real life and it was looking pretty gross and empty, so I decided to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple things so I'm able to organize and clean everything out. I do just need to go to Costco and bulk buy my veggies like asparagus, broccoli, and all that stuff that will live in the two bottom drawers that are kind of empty right now. I was just excited to film this video. So until then, I'm just going to clean everything out of my fridge, toss anything that's expired, and clean all my shelves. Now that my refrigerator is all nice and clean, I did organize some of the shelves differently just so I can fit everything nicely, and I'm ready to organize my groceries. Usually when I get home from the grocery store, I wash all my fruits just because my kids will be picking at them. So I'm just going to rinse them out one more time and cut them up and put them in these glass containers. That way they're easy to grab and go, and we don't have to worry about washing them or cutting them when we want a snack. One thing I did want to add about these plastic organizing fridge containers is they can be kind of pricey. So I do have the Target app on my phone, and when I go in stores, I always scan what I'm about to buy and compare it to the online price, because usually they are cheaper online and they do price match. This container in particular, I did get it from a neighbor that was pretty cheap. So that's another thing you can do, is look around before purchasing to save some money. Until I find myself going to Costco and bulk buying all those vegetables to fill up these two drawers, it's just going to look a little empty for now. So this is how my refrigerator turned out. I stored all my beverages on the top, followed by some eggs, lemon, lime, mini bell peppers, prepped fruit in glass containers ready to go, some grab-and-go snacks, tortillas, meat on the bottom. This little drawer I just have extra cheese, hummus, chocolate chip cookies. On the bottom here is where all my vegetables will be stored. On the door, I just have some extra beverages, condiments, salsa, sauces, some snacks, extra drinks, good old H2O up here. And in this little bin, I just have some extra butter and garlic. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of these clean/organize with me videos, and I'll be back with another video soon.